Very good morning, students. Till now we have learnt regarding the acidic buffer. Now today we are going to deal regarding basic buffer. See, as we have two types in acidic buffer, one is in direct method and other is the indirect method. The same pattern will be followed in the basic buffer also. Okay. So basic buffer, it is nothing but the combination of weak base plus salt, which is formed from this salt is formed from weak base plus strong acid. Okay. So if you take examples, NH4OH is a weak base, NH4Cl, it's a salt, it is formed from weak base NH4OH plus HCl. Okay. Next, NH4OH plus NH4 taken twice SO4. So NH4OH is a weak base, H2SO4 is a strong acid. So weak base plus strong acid. Whatever the salt is formed, that is called as salt. It is used in the formation of the basic buffer. So CH3NH2 plus CH3NH3 plus Cl minus. So here it is the weak base, it is the strong acid. So by this is the direct way of representation. Suppose in the indirect way, ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH plus HCl. See, among these two, you are having weak base, but where is the salt? You doesn't have the salt, right? If you want salt, you make the reaction between these two. Okay, so that you will be getting NH4Cl, and this one should be less in concentration, this one should be more in concentration. So finally you will be left out with salt as well as the acid. In the same way, take this reaction NH4Cl plus NaOH. Salt concentration should be high because to get the weak acid. Okay, right. And pH, it is written as POH is equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by the base concentration, or pH plus POH. This is the condition for POH. Because this is the base, you will be getting POH. Suppose if you want pH, we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14, and pH is equal to 14 minus POH. This is the, students. So if you want how the formula has been derived, take this into the consideration. Take the salt and acid base ones, NH4OH plus NH4Cl. These are the two things. And if you go for this one, how it gets dissociated? It gets dissociated as NH4OH. It is in equilibrium with NH4 plus OH minus. And NH4Cl, it completely dissociates because it is the stronger one, NH4 plus Cl minus. So Kb will be equal to, so at equilibrium, whatever that is present, so this is the entire thing that is present, NH4 plus from NH4OH plus NH4 plus from NH4Cl into OH minus by NH4OH. Among these two, this one will be more in concentration, so this is the condition, and OH minus by NH4OH. Okay, and this one, what you can write? You can write is the concentration of the salt, because whatever this one is present, this one will be present in the same band, because it gets completely dissociated. So it is OH minus by NH4OH. So if you make subject as OH minus, you will be getting Kb into base concentration by salt concentration. If you apply negative log, this will be negative log OH minus will be equal to negative log Kb minus negative log base concentration plus log salt concentration. So POH will be equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. Right, students? You know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Then pH will be this one, 14 minus pKb minus log salt concentration by base concentration. Here, whatever the concentration we are taking for the base, we will be taking the initial concentration. Why? Because due to common ion effect, if this is more is produced, what happens? The equilibrium tries to move in the backward direction because the product concentration is more. If you want to learn this, go through the Le-Chatelier principle. Product's concentration if is more, the reaction moves in the backward direction by combining these two. Right? So it forms the NH4OH. So the dissociation will be still more lesser. Okay? Right, let us take some examples and solve the questions. Find the pH of the solution obtained by mixing 0.02 moles NH4OH and 0.03 moles NH4Cl in 1 liter solution, where Kb is given as 10 power minus 5. You know that POH is equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. So negative log 10 power minus 5 plus log salt concentration is 0.03, whereas the base concentration is 0.02, so that you will be getting 3 by 2. So log 3 minus log 2. So log 3 is 0.47, log 2 is minus 0.30. So finally you will be getting 5.17. This is the POH value. But the pH value is pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. pH is equal to 8.83. Okay, students. Find the pH of the solution obtained by mixing 0.1 mole NH4OH, Kb is equal to 10 power minus 5, and 0.1 mole ammonium sulfate in 500 ml solution. Okay. So we know that pOH is equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. pKb is how much? Negative log 10 power minus 5 plus log. What is the salt concentration? To know the salt concentration, we should go here. Ammonium sulfate, it gets dissociated at 2NH4 plus SO4 minus 2. If the initial concentration is 0.1, it is 0 and it is 0. When this is the salt, it gets strongly dissociated into the products. So if it is 0, this one becomes into 2 times of concentration, this one will become 0.1. So number of moles is 2 into 0.1. Volume is 500 ml. Okay, or 0.5 liters. If you go for this one, it is a 0.1 mole. Already it has been mentioned for the base. Volume is this one. So if you do that, 5 plus log 2, this 0.5 L, this 0.5 L will be cancelled. This is liters. So finally the value will be 5 plus 0.30. It is equal to 5.30. pH will be equal to 14 minus pOH. Finally pH will be equal to 8.7. Okay students. You take one more question. We will be finishing this topic with respect to basic buffer. Find the pH of the solution obtained by mixing 0.2 molar 500 ml NH4OH and 0.1 molar 200 ml HCl, where Kb is equal to 10 power minus 5. Right. NH4OH, it is a base and HCl is an acid. You doesn't find any salt here. Okay. NH4Cl plus H2O. And here you require moles, right? So NH4OH, if you want to find the moles, M is equal to N by V. M is equal to 0.2 is equal to N by 500. So you will be getting 100 millimoles. If you go with respect to HCl, M is equal to N by V, M is equal to 0.1, N by 200, N is equal to 20 millimoles. So initially NH4OH you are having 100 millimoles, this one has 20 millimoles. These are the products you didn't get still anything. Suppose if you go for the how much it has been used. So 20 HCl is used up, as well as 20 NH4OH is used up, and 20 NH4Cl is formed. Okay. So if you go for the left out thing, so 80 is left out, 20 is completed, 20 is formed. So salt concentration is 20, base concentration is 80. So pOH will be equal to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. So pKb will be equal to 5 plus log, that is 20 millimoles, 20 into 10 power minus 3 by, what is the volume? It is 700 by 80 into 10 power minus 3 by 700. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3, 700 will be cancelled. 20 by 80, so it will become 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means 2 log 2. If it is in the base, so you will be getting minus 2 log 2. So 5 minus 2 into 0.3, 5 minus 6 is equal to 4.4. That is the pOH value. If you want the pH, it should be 14 minus pOH. So it is 14 minus 4.4, you will be getting as 9.6. So students, this is with respect to basic buffer. Thank you.